Okay, guys, we're back with another problem here that's going to be on the worksheet. So it says plot the triangle whose coordinates are 0, 8. So that means over none, but up 8. Okay, get my pen out. We'll start working these out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, these are in 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. So here we are, 0, 8. That's point A. Point B is at 6, 0, so it's over 6, okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's right there, okay? That's point B, those coordinates are at 6, 0, okay? And point C, uh, which is at the origin right here, point C. So it says now, okay, find the perimeter of the triangle with those coordinates. So through those 3 points, I'm going to draw a triangle. And then the perimeter of the triangle means add up all the sides. So what I want to do is I want to find the length of AC plus the length of CB plus the length of AB. And that is going to equal my perimeter. So do we have to apply the midpoint formula to each of these? I'm sorry, the distance formula? No. If, if you think about it, I mean, the coordinates up here are 0, 8. So we move from C to A, so that's 8 units directly up, okay? This is, okay, 6 units directly over. So we already have those two. We have AC, which is 8, plus CB, which is 6. The only thing we don't have is AB. So maybe just we have to apply the distance formula just once to find that length AB, okay? And then here we come with the AB distance formula, okay? So we call A, again, which is at 0, 8, and B, which is at 6, 0, and again, we're going to um, remember that this is going to be x1, this is going to be y1, this is going to be x2, this is going to be y2. We're going to write down our distance formula. So the distance from A to B is going to equal the big square root x1 minus x2 quantity squared, okay, plus y1 minus y2 the quantity squared, okay? So now I've got my formula written, so I know now what goes where. Okay, so let's get these things all plugged in. Okay, so so here we go. All right. What's nice about this, x1, okay, so that's going to be 0 minus x2, which is 6. That's going to be squared, plus y1, which is 8, minus y2, which is 0. The nice thing that's with these is, as you can see, you got a 0 as one of the values in there. So which makes the computation easy. And of course, 0 minus 6 is negative 6. Now don't forget, I see some of you make mistakes over here. 8 minus 0, which is just 8 squared. Whenever you square something, it always turns positive. Okay? So even though this is negative 6 times negative 6, which is negative 6 squared, is 36. And 8 squared is 64. And they add up. Of course, we add it all together before we take the square root to 100, and that's a nice perfect square, of course, which is 10. So now we can come back. We found out that this length is 10, and so the perimeter is the sum of those. 8 and 6 is 14, plus 10 is 24. So the perimeter is 24 units. So with a bunch of the other problems you're going to have to do, that's the procedure. You take a look at the picture, and you see what you have to do, and apply the distance formula wherever necessary. And could we have applied the distance formula from A to C? Yes, you could have. And maybe you want to just to confirm that you're going to get 8, but you really don't need to. Likewise, you really don't need to, since you have straight up and down, you have a vertical segment. So anytime you have a vertical a segment and you want to find the distance between the points, okay, it's simply the difference in the y coordinates, the difference in the y coordinates. Likewise, when you have a horizontal segment, as you have here, a CB, and you want to find the distance there, you notice it's simply the difference of the x coordinates, okay? So keep that in mind when you're doing the problems, all right, and you should be in good shape, okay? And there you have it.